Oh.
Good.
That's a big spoon.
That's not a big spoonful. It's cinnamon. Just a bowl of cinnamon, or a spoon full of cinnamon.
Wait.
It's gonna make your mouth really dry.
You both have to take it at the same time.
Give it a whirl.
This is exciting. I'm excited.
Okay.
She's like making sure it's all even.
Okay, ready? And you gotta eat it all in one shot.
One shot. $1 in cigarettes.
Swear.
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 It's on the recording. $1 in
We don't
cigarettes.
finish this.
You have to put the whole thing in your mouth and get all this cinnamon off of it. That's the deal.
Okay, 1, 2.
Swallow it and stuff.
Yeah, you gotta try to swallow it. Yeah.
You're gonna do this with me?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
He's still worth it.
This is going on YouTube. And Facebook. This is exciting.
Hers was about couldn't breathe.